This video is about operating live games and cloud content delivery with addressables. If you are operating a live game, then you might want to consider using Unity Cloud Content Delivery (CCD) solution with addressables. Open your Unity dashboard and open the Explore Services tab. And under the All Solutions tab, you will see the amazing solutions provided by Unity. And the one we are interested in is in the Live Ops. Scroll down a bit and here we have a Cloud Content Delivery. Open it to view more detail. And on the left side, you find more options related to CCD. You can click the Start a Free Trial option and complete the process to access all these options. From here, you get the documentation for CCD and also API references documentation. You can read all these documentation and start the trial to begin your journey with the cloud content delivery and the addressables. It's a quite big topic to discuss, and that was a quick starting point for the CCD and the addressables. I hope this video helps you. If you have any question, you can always ask me. Thank you for watching and I see you in the next.